everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonam Vaghani and today I am back with an amazing video where I share 5 tips and tricks with you guys about makeup which would take your makeup game to the next level. Just in case if you're not following these tips, I am sure after watching this video you would realize how important they are. These tips and tricks are so important, yet they do not get their due credit because of the fact that they are so simple. They are overlooked. That is the whole problem. I'm going to be sharing these 5 tips and tricks with you guys, and I'm sure by the end of the video you would appreciate, even though they are so simple, yet they are so important. And it does not matter whether you are somebody who wears foundation or a concealer or do not. These tips and tricks have nothing to do with you wearing a foundation, because I know a lot of Indian women, a lot of women do not wear foundation on a daily basis. They do not even wear foundation for special events also. But these tips and tricks will definitely help you improve your makeup game, irrespective of whether you wear foundation, concealer or not. So if this interests you and if you want to see and know what these 5 tips and tricks are, then keep watching. Now for the purpose of this video, I will be doing my base with concealers. I am not going to be wearing a lot of foundation, something that I generally do. Now, tip number 1. Using kajals or kohl liners. Generally, Indian women, they will always opt for a black kajal. Now I can bet my money on it. If you ask a woman what is the one makeup product that she would choose, if she could have just one makeup product, she would choose a black kajal. I have nothing against black kajal. I absolutely love black kajal. But then I feel a brown kajal does not get its due. This accentuates the eyes. If you want to go for smoky eyes, you can use a black and a brown kajal together and get that slight smoky effect as well. So for this video purpose, I am going to be using a brown kajal, and I'll show you that even with a brown kajal, your makeup can look very nice and it can have a major impact on how you look. Now, using a brown kajal on the lash line can really accentuate the eyes. Generally what women do is they use a black kajal in the waterline and then they get done with it. But what I would suggest is use a brown kajal and then use it on your lash line, upper and lower lash line, and smudge it with your fingers if you can. That would really make a huge difference. Not using the kajal just on the waterline, but on the lash line as well, both upper and lower. The second makeup product that women generally gravitate towards is a lipstick. Obviously lipstick is important, but I feel it is equally important to have a lip liner. So if you use a lip liner, it would really bring out the true colors of the lipstick and at the same time frame your lips and make it look more presentable and crisp. I'm going to show you the difference between the two. I'm using a lipstick without any lip liner. It looks nice, but it doesn't have the same impact. Now I'm going to show it to you with a lip liner. With the lip liner, you can also cheat the shape of your lips, which is very crucial sometimes. I have really thin lips, but I cheat my way with a lip liner and make them look slightly plump than what they are. Bonus of using a lip liner, if you fill your lips with the lip liner, your lipstick will last longer as well. The difference between what it looks like right now and what it was looking without the lip liner. There is a huge difference. Now the third thing. Generally women will be like, oh, I've applied a kajal, I've applied lipstick and I'm done. The third tip is using a mascara. The mascara is a must. I would say even if you're not wearing a kajal, it's fine. Invest in a good mascara. Get a good mascara. It really opens up the eyes. My first priority would be a mascara over a kajal. So I'm going to show you the difference that a mascara has doing one eye, and then I'll show you the other eye without the mascara. So if you can see the difference, this eye has the mascara and this one doesn't. So even if you're wearing a kajal and you're not wearing a mascara, the makeup still looks incomplete. Your eyes will not pop out the way you would expect them to with a black kajal as well. So this is the difference. Tip number 4. A lot of women, they skip using a blush. They feel, oh, the eyes are done, the lips are done, I'm ready to go. Don't do that. Please, please do not skip using a blush or putting some color onto your cheeks, because it makes you look alive. It makes a huge difference. So I'm going to show you on one side how it looks to have a blush and the other side without a blush. Also, you do not need to invest in different blushes. You could use your lipsticks as a cream blush. For this purpose, I'm going to use the same lipstick that I used on myself right now. I'm going to use the same thing on my cheeks and show you that your makeup will look even more cohesive if you're using your lipstick on your cheeks and just get done with it and still look presentable. Applied blush on this side of my face and this side doesn't have a blush, so I kind of look slightly red on this side and slightly more alive on this side. If you have powder blushes, well and good. If you don't, you can just simply use lipsticks as your blush. That way it looks cohesive as well. And so yeah, the side with the blush, the side without the blush. I'm going to do the other side as well and move on to the next tip. And last but not the least, the 5th point is doing your brows. I basically wanted to mention this point in the end because it makes a huge difference. Doing your brows will really frame your face and give it a more structured look. Right now, I do not have any product. I just use a brow gel, which I generally use. I'm going to show you one side with the brows done, the other side without the brows done, and you will see the difference. This side I have done my brows, the other side I haven't done my brows. How structured the whole face looks just with the brows done. This side it looks like we're there but we're not there yet. So doing your brows will make a huge difference in how whole makeup comes together. So last but not the least tip is doing your brows. People, these are the 5 makeup tips that I feel are very simple yet very crucial in how your makeup will end up looking. I am sure you follow these 5 guidelines as to doing your makeup on a daily basis. If you like this video, if you think this video was helpful in some way or the other, please give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and I would really appreciate your feedback. If you want to see more of these kind of videos where I share more tips and tricks about makeup, and do let me know. I would love to make these kind of videos for you guys, and I'll see you guys very soon with another video. Take care. Bye.